How to design a full width header on Wix. So as you see right here, I have in here this header. And in order to make this full width, you can just head over and click on that particular header that you have. Now take note to click on any open space and not on any elements that you have on that header. From there, click on this header settings, and then it will show up this header scroll. First things first that you need to do is you need to make sure that it freezes, and that way it will be full width and it will stick to the screen of your visitor. Next thing is to click on this three dots option, and then you can click on this options that we have right here. So you can also make sure to show this on all pages in order to stick to it, and you can click on this change header design option as well. Now in here, it will show the color and capacity as well as shadow as well as scroll options. So for the scroll options, you don't need to change anything. You just need to make sure that it is looking like this. Now take that we also have in here this hidden lines. Any element that's been added onto this hidden lines will be hidden. So there's no way around that. So just customize your weather using the parameters that have been set by Wix. So that's how you design a full width header on Wix. Hope we helped.